Hi guys, and welcome to another short advertising tip. For today's video, I want to talk a little bit about category targeting on Amazon. I think it's not used that much, but it's actually pretty great because it lets you have a shortcut in finding brands that you want to target and make them feel miserable, or if you only want to target those low-hanging fruits, where, for example, you want to target only competition who have 3-star ratings and are already struggling with that, and then you can shine even more with your 4.4 stars. It's pretty simple to navigate, and as I said, it's a shortcut. Yeah, you can, and I suggest that you go through Helium 10 Black Box and find the best product targeting um, targets for competitors, whatever. But here, for example, when you go to the category targeting in your new campaign or an existing one, but I strongly suggest that also you use category targeting in a separate separate campaign. So when you browse suggested campaigns, you will have something that Amazon is offering you, but you can also go through the search and find one. So if you want to go really wide and you can navigate, let's say, whatever, let's do musical instruments here. And then you want to go to string musical instruments, and then you can add whole categories or subcategory now. So let's do whatever, sitars, and you can add the whole sitar category and choose a specific bit, say add to target, and there you go. You will see an estimate of 38 to 63 total products that you can target in this subcategory. But another good thing that you can do is, for example, go to this refine button. Now, refine button will give you additional options to narrow it even more, but I wouldn't like to use that button on a subcategory which is this low. So for example, you can go to string, folk and world instruments, whatever, click refine. And here you can select to target. Yeah, here's only one, um, but usually it's a drop down. Let's find a little bit better category. Let's do something big like painting. Yeah, I think this one has a bunch of them. So when you select here on a brand, you can select a specific brand that you want to target. Mandarin Mousse, for example, that it's gonna show you how many products. So here, Greta Color, also not too many of them. In general, in this subcategory, you can see 33 to 55 products. You can choose to target only products who are much more expensive than you, or even you can go and target some less expensive than you, but you have big prices, you're a premium product, and you have good ratings. Then additional layer that you can use, as I said in the beginning, you can only target these guys who are miserable, and aim for them and kill them completely. Then you can also check prime eligible or not, and depending on the category, you will see how many you narrow down. Like, is it hundreds, is it thousands? And then when you select your filters, you can click add, and again add some kind of a CPC that you have, and you can layer down many of them. Now, don't overdo it. Don't put like 50 different um, targeting options here. Yeah, you can do that as a beginning just to estimate what's going to work and what's not. And then if you see that some of these are performing much better than the others, then you can isolate them in the separate campaign. Yeah, let me know if you use this or if you need any further assistance about it. If you liked it, forward this to your advertising manager, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.